Welcome to Hispania, escuela de español. Welcome to the heart of Valencia. Hispania, escuela de español is an educational centre that offers various courses in Spanish and in Spanish culture, among other subjects for international students. It opened its doors in 2002, and since then, more than 40,000 students have learned Spanish at our school. Hispania, escuela de español is accredited by the Instituto Cervantes and by Equals, Excellence in Language Education, and in recent years has won dozens of awards for its great work and has received numerous recognitions, making it one of the world leaders in the study abroad sector for learning Spanish. The Hispania method allows students to learn the language in a happy way, and our method results in Hispania, escuela de español receiving thousands of students every year wanting to learn Spanish. The quality of the classes is the school's major strength. Hispania, escuela de español is located in a unique and special environment. Hispania has 5 villas, las casitas de los periodistas, or the journalists' houses, where students can not only enjoy their lessons in classrooms equipped with the most modern technology, but can also enjoy the leisure areas, beautiful terraces, a cinema, a library and a private cafeteria. This infrastructure helps considerably create a unique experience for the students. They learn our language and culture whilst enjoying themselves in an environment where students from more than 80 different countries coexist. Sonríe, estás en España. Smile, you're in Hispania, is the motto of our professional school, without a doubt combining the quality in the classroom, in the services offered, as well as making people feel a little happier alongside, has led to Hispania, escuela de español, be ranked amongst the top schools internationally.